this weekend hangout with Neha, I'm going to take you off to Tiruvannamalai. Yes, here I am at Tiruvannamalai at the Sparsa Resort. This is a beautiful place, a very serene place where you will really be away from the hustle bustle of the city and you will have a great time. It has a very different vibe, unlike a five-star hotel or the hotels that we stay in. It gives you a very nice feel of being closer to a small town and have this whole feel of it. So let's just get inside and explore. Let me show you what the place is about so that you can plan your next weekend trip to Tiruvannamalai. So here I am getting into the reception and let's just get in. Thank you.
Thank you.
So they give you a nice welcome with this Rudraksh Mala. Walk in. So here we are. That's the reception area. And I'm going to take you through this entire resort. They have a lot of activities here. It's a fun place. You can spend the entire day doing different things. So I'm just going to give you a snapshot into all those details. So this is where it gets started. They have a list of all these activities that you can do all through the day, and the timings are also mentioned. So let me just tell you that I almost did everything that is mentioned here and take you on a ride to do a few different things and have the experience of this serene place.
This is a completely eco-friendly resort and you will find a lot of greenery, calm silence that will take you to a different level of peace. Well, let me show you the room that we were in. They have two categories of room, and mind you guys that you really need to do your bookings in prior, because they are generally booked for 2-3 months. There are a lot of foreign tourists that come here, and the room was really nice, big, and we had a beautiful place to sit out, and I had the pool view from my room's window. It was nice and I really enjoyed being here. Well, now let's come on to the activities. I did everything that I could lay my hands on. Well, this was one of my favorites, the pottery. I made a beautiful diya and brought it back home. Moving on was making a garland of flowers. So all you guys, just like me, if you thought this was a cakewalk, trust me, I couldn't even do 2-3 knots. The flower ladies who actually make these garlands have a talent. They do it so beautifully. I tried and couldn't do it. Another interesting activity was milking the cow. I'm sure in a regular life or in a lifetime you will never get a chance to do this. Well, when I saw that there was a chance to do this, I did try my hands on. I was really scared, but the owner of the cow made me comfortable and told me it's not that difficult, and I tried and I really enjoyed.
I enjoyed doing all the activities here. Now I'm up here for the next one, gardening. I've never done this in my life. I've never held this big thing, scissors in my hand, and done this, but I'm going to try it. Let's get started. Yeah, I cut it. Okay, I'm going to do some more. She told me to cut a few more leaves, so yeah. Yes, and I do. Yay! So I can keep doing this, but she doesn't want me to cut way too much, because yes, we need to plant more trees and not cut them. So we are also going to plant a few things, so I'll just show you that in a bit. So I just cut a few leaves, and now it's time for me to pay back and do some planting of a plant that I'm going to do here with them. So I'm going to do it from scratch. I'm excited. So let's get started.
Guys, it was an exhilarating experience. I would strongly recommend that you guys should definitely give this a try once in your lifetime. It gives you so much peace and happiness just to plant a tree out there. Well, moving on to the recreational center, they have a small little place with a few games, authentic ones like Palanguli and Snakes and Ladders, and they have a pool which was also very neat and clean. Mind you guys, all these activities here are completely free and included in your room rent. And then they have a yoga center. If you wake up early in the morning, you can definitely go and do some yoga. Finally, last but not the least, the food. Well, the food out there, my dear friends, wasn't all that great. Well, if I have to rate on a scale of 5, I would say maybe a 2.5 to 3 would be my rating. It was average. It wasn't really wow that I had a feeling. The place, of course, was complete wow with all the fun things that you just saw, activities and all that. Food was okay. Well, they said that the idli and the sambar and dosa that they give is their authentic. We did try that, and that was really good and yummy. They have some kind of millet stuff and really some really healthy stuff out there. So if you're a person who likes eating healthy, you'll really enjoy. And few of their stuff were really nice and tasty. And since we were traveling at the time of Navratris, they had a beautiful Golu set up there. Well, my dear friends, do let me know how was your experience watching my video and how did you like this place and were you tempted to really go and visit. Do subscribe and comment if any details are required from my end with regard to this resort, and subscribe for more such nice places that I keep going and I'll keep exploring and sharing with you. Bye bye.